Hello and welcome to task 3. Today we're going to draw a simple object. Now we have been drawing a whole lot of boxes and now it is time to turn one of those boxes into something you can actually recognize. So I took some box-like shapes already, something like this, sponge or a tape dispenser, which is a bit boxy but tricky perhaps, or something very boxy, a CD case, something that you can have easy access to. I'm going to be drawing something quite close to me, a pencil sharpener.
Alright, so this is the pencil sharpener, and first we are going to draw a box. We need a horizon line and two vanishing points, and here we have the center of the box. Oh, messed up right there. Try again. There we go. So the top, we draw to the left vanishing point, now to the right vanishing point, and the box on both left and the right side. And then we can draw the top of the box, and there we have three sides that you can see. Now I want to make the box transparent because you never know what you might need it for. These guidelines we might have to erase later, but we probably will see. Now the openings, those are on the left side. I need to find the center of the left side of that box. Now I am connecting both opposing sides, and where those two lines meet, that is the center. Now here I'm doing it again, and I am dividing the two halves up once more, and at the top I'm adding a slight curve, and with those slight curves I can attach a curved line, one a little bit bigger and one a little bit smaller because of the openings of the pencil sharpener. One is a little bit smaller, as you can see, one's a bit bigger. Now I'm going to add two blades so that we can sharpen the pencils. I'm erasing a couple of the guidelines because it is getting quite confusing, especially when you have quite a lot. Right, so at the top of the opening, of the pencil opening, I need to draw one of the knives that is a little bit curved. Here I'm adding in that slight curve, and I'm doing that by hand. I'm kind of guessing how long the blades are and leaving a little opening to add in just enough of the curve for the blade. Now I'm adding in the screw. I want the screw to reappear on the other end as well. That's why I'm adding in just one vanishing line, so that the screw is on the opposite side as well. Right. So here I'm adding in a little bit of value to give the idea that it is an opening. Now, and on the right side of the pencil sharpener, you can see a wood grain. Now, the wood grain is quite straight, but in this drawing I'm going to aim the wood grain at the vanishing point. So I'll be doing that later on even more. Here, working at the top opening of the blade. Now I'm using a ruler to kind of hold my pencil in place. So when I'm adding in a value, that way I won't go over the line that much, and I don't have to do all that kind of erasing. I mean, erasing is not one of my hobbies. Right, so when I'm adding in the value, make sure that you that you follow the form, as it were. So the opening is a little bit curved, and the lines that I'm adding in are also a little bit curved. I'm trying to get it in parallel with the opening of the pencil sharpener. Alright, so the last strokes of the pencil sharpener, trying to have a slightly darker side where it's shaded, some midtones. I hope this was clear enough, and please let me see your results in Schoology, please. Alright, see you later.